Hello folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. This week we're going to be fixing lazy tortellini lasagna. What we'll need is a 20-ounce bag of 5 cheese tortellini, 64 ounces of your favorite marinara sauce. We use some of our homemade tomato sauce. I'll be seasoning that up. 10 little grape tomatoes, tomatos, however you say it. 2 chopped onions. Some garlic. We ain't got cloves of garlic, so we'll be using the minced garlic. 16 ounces of mozzarella cheese and 2 pounds of Italian sausage. Alright, let's get started. Alright, what we're doing, we're going to boil some water, get it up to boiling, then we'll put our tortellini in it. But first while it's heating up, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. It says to put some salt in your water there, boiling water. Alright. Be back just a minute whenever it starts boiling. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to cook our tortellini in the pot of boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. I don't know what happened to the audio on this clip, but 3 to 4 minutes. We'll be right back with the next step. Alright, I've set the tortellini to the side. Now we're going to brown up our meat here. Alright, we've browned up our sausage. I'll take it out of the pan and then we'll show you the next step. Alrighty folks, now what we're going to do is we're going to saute our vegetables up. It's 2 chopped onions, and you don't have to put the tomatoes in if you don't want to. I just saw a recipe with them in it, and I thought that'd be pretty good to try it in this. And I don't know if I told you before, but this recipe is doubled, so it is double of everything. I'll make sure I put the original recipe in the description below. But now we got our tomatoes in, and the garlic, we did not find any cloves of garlic, so it calls for 2. So we're going to put in 1 teaspoon apiece for each clove of garlic, and this is a half teaspoon. 4. Alright, got them in. Now we're just going to get this all mixed up and everything. Make sure it gets all melded together. We'll be right back. Alright, we got them all sauteed up after 3 to 4 minutes. Now, I would recommend, if you are going to put some of these little tomatoes in it, make sure that you put in enough, because I know whenever we went to taste it, it needed a little bit more. But if you can put tomatoes in if you want to, it don't matter. It didn't call for it on the recipe. I just thought it'd be pretty good, and it was pretty good. But we'll get to that here in a little bit. We're going to put our sausage back in. You can mix it up in it whenever you put it in the casserole dish or skillet, whatever you're going to put it in. You can put it in then. I just done it in there where the vegetables would get all mixed up with the sausage. But I'll show you in the next step. Be right back. Alrighty folks, we got our meat and our vegetables right here. What we're going to do, just put it on the bottom. Like I said before, you don't have to put the tomatoes in if you don't want to. I just saw it on the recipe and I thought that'd be pretty good. If you do, I'd recommend putting in more. Just make it your own. And we're going to put in our marinara sauce. And you can make it your own with marinara sauce. This is just what we had at the house. And I seasoned it up with some garlic and onion powder and a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. But just make it your own. Alright, what we're going to do is, now that we've got all the sauce out, what we're going to do, we're going to mix the sausage and the vegetables up together with it. I would recommend, when you make this, to mix everything together before you put it in your your casserole dish, pan, skillet, whatever you're going to use, because I think it's a lot easier trying to get it out. Alright, we got our sauce and sausage and everything mixed up. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put our tortellinis on top, get it all mixed together. If you're going to double it, I would recommend using something bigger. We was cutting it a little close on the sides right there. Stuff was trying to come out, but in the end it worked out. If you do it, I would recommend putting a cookie sheet under it in case something does spill out. Alrighty, we got all our tortellini and everything mixed up together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put on our mozzarella cheese. I won't bore you, I'll speed it up a little bit till we get to the next step. We'll be putting it in the oven. Wow, look how quick that was. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. And we'll be right back with the finished product. See you here soon. Alright, we ended up cooking it for 30 minutes. It just depends on what your oven does. Everything's done in it. You just want the cheese a little bit golden brown on top. But we'll dip us out a piece and we'll have Dad take a test of it. Be right back. Alrighty folks, we got it plated up here with a salad. Dad, try your piece.
Alrighty. Jump in here. It's good old cheese. That's good too. Get some of the tortellini here. It's good. Oh, good. Sorry. Didn't get my thumb up, it's just a fist. Folks, I messed it up. It's delicious.
Good. Delicious. Alrighty folks, thank y'all for watching. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you Friday. Thank you again for watching. Have a blessed day.